Tatiana, my baby girl. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to see her again. And finally, she's back after like 2 years. And sobrang laki ng in-improve niya. Nagulat ako kasi ang laki na niya. Ang ganda ng boses niya. And she's improved a lot. I kinda, medyo naalala ko yung mga mentoring sessions namin before. And I'm just so excited for her and sa magiging journey niya dito sa The Voice Kids. Kasi it's gonna be different this time because she's not performing with her dad. And right now, solo flight siya ngayon. And excited ako to work with her because, kaya talaga kami napaikot. She had 4 chair turns dahil ang ganda kasi ng rendition niya. And parang first time in a long time na nakarinig kami na ganitong klaseng version ng isang modern song na nagkaroon ng ibang klaseng arrangement. So, happy for her, excited, and yeah, happy.